very warm welcome to the Toyota Year-End Party 2025. Because today we come together to celebrate another successful year filled with teamwork, dedication, and shared victories. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning is not just about enjoying the sweetness of the celebration, but also about expressing our gratitude for the journey we have shared as one Toyota family. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, isang mas kabang palakpakan na may kasamang Iyawan!
Maria Estefania Francisca Garcia Orlina, representing Yamaha Department.
My name is Maria Jasmina Morin, representing Warprep Department.
Say yeah, you always when life hold you down, cause you can't be drowned when you keep on falling up.
Nandito po ako sa inyong harapan, tumatayo at naging isang inspirasyon para sa lahat.
Bilang isang empleyado po ng Toyota, ang pinakamagandang katangian po na mayroon ka ay dapat magaling kang makisama sa kapwa mo empleyado. Sa pamamagitan ng magaling mong pakikisama, magkakatulungan kayo at magkakaunawaan sa anumang gusto nyo o layunin para maisakutuparan kung anuman ang balak ng isang kumpanya. Maraming salamat po.
Maligayang Christmas party po, Choda, sa ating lahat, Choda family. Alam ko po, tayo pong lahat ay excited na.
Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me, dance with me tonight. Dance with me tonight. We can just
Ang sa akin po, pinakitaan po nila ako ng isang pagmamahal. Yung pong pagmamahal pong yun, na-apply ko po sa sarili ko kasi pag ikaw ay magmamahal sa sarili mo, doon papasok ang respeto, pakikisama at pagiging isang responsableng empleyado sa iyong kumpanya. Maraming salamat po.
I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So just one touch sends me out of control. Whatever you do.
Para po sa akin, kung papipiliin po ako, Corona. Bakit? Dahil isa po ito sa ating naging patimpalak dito sa atin at siya po ang aking isang magiging susi na ako ay isang karapat-dapat na maging reyna dito sa ating kampanya. Maraming salamat po.
And you got me feeling alright. Let me show you I was made to hold you. So loose shoes and dance with me, dance with me. I got this feeling rising through the ceiling, singing ooh, darling, you
Gusto po ng safety department na tayo po ay maging ligtas sa ating pag-uwi at higit sa lahat tayo po ay mag-enjoy. Merry Christmas po, Choda family. Salamat po.